Hello and good morning to everyone. This is Debasis Mohanty. Today I am welcoming you all to do the one of the new chapter discussion. The name of the new chapter, it is our arithmetic progression. So everyone having one of the question in their mind. Whenever I will write the term, it is our arithmetic progression, everyone will get surprised that array, what do you mean by arithmetic progression? What do you mean by arithmetic progression? But before we have to do the discussion of the arithmetic progression, one of the new term I want to define. One of the new term, and which is very easy term, and that easy term I am defining by showing you one of the example. See everyone perfectly. The name of that term, it is our sequence. See everyone perfectly. Actually, sequence means it is the collection of numbers. Otherwise, it can be called it as the list of the number. It can be called it as the collection of the number. Otherwise, it can be called it as the list of a number where the numbers are arranged in a order. Where the numbers are arranged in a order as per the rule and regulation. According to any rule, all the numbers of the list of numbers where it is arranged, that list of number we can call it as the sequence. Actually, sequence means it is the list of numbers. Sequence means list of numbers where the numbers are arranged in a definite order. Where the numbers are arranged in a definite order as per few rules. See, everyone see. Suppose here I am giving you one of the example. See, suppose one of the number it is our 0. Next number it is our 2. Easy example I am showing. From the example you will be sure. So what is the definition of the sequence? Then after I will elaborate what is the definition of the arithmetic progression. See, then after 4, then after 6, then after 8. And you just have to see everywhere we are getting from 0 to 2. Here we are getting 2 by the addition of 2. From 2 to 4, with the 2, if 2 it will be added, then after we can get the number 4. With the 4, whenever 2 it is to be added, then after we can get 6. With the 6, whenever 2 it is to be added, then after we can find out 8. So it means this one it is one of the sequence where the numbers are arranged in one of the rule. That rule it is adding 2. Whenever you will add 2 with the previous any of the number, always you will get the next number. And another important thing, remember, in the sequence, each of the number we can call it as the term. Each of the numbers we can call it them as the term. And here each of the term except the first term can be obtained by adding 2 with the previous term. See, 2 with the 0, whenever I will add 2, I will get this term 2. How to get this term? With the previous term, if I will add 2, I will get 4. With 4, if I will add 2, I will get 6. How we can get 8? With the previous term, if I will add 2, I can get 8. So this one it is the sequence where the rule it is plus 2. Another example I am showing, see carefully. Another example it is suppose 0. Another one it is our minus 3 suppose. Next one it is minus 6. Next one it is minus 9. Next one it is minus 12. See carefully. All these examples are very easy example I am showing, such that easily you can say me the calculation. Also many more things you can remember easily. See, first number it is our 0. First number it is our 0. Here it is 3. Just see, here the minus 3 can be obtained whenever from the 0 you will do subtract 3. It means from the 0, if I will subtract 3 minus 3, I can get the minus 3. And from minus 3, if I will subtract 3, subtract 3, I will obtain minus 6. And from the minus 6, if I will subtract 3, then after I can obtain minus 9. From the minus 9, if I will subtract 3, then after I can obtain minus 12. One thing you just have to remember, subtraction also can be called it as the addition of minus 3. Subtracting 3, it is also same as adding with minus 3. Here it is also adding with minus 3. Here it is also adding with minus 3. So it means this one, it is also one of the sequence. This one, it is also one of the sequence, otherwise one of the list of the numbers. Where we can get the terms, except the first term, we can get each of the term by adding minus 3 with the previous term. So for which one thing it is clear, this one it is the sequence where the rule it is applied, it as adding with minus 3. Previous one of the positive number it was added. Now it is one of the negative number it is added. I am showing another example. Just see. Suppose one number it is 2, another number it is 2, here it is 2, here it is 2, here it is 2. So it means in this sequence each of the terms are 2. So we need to find out which rule it is used at here. See, from 2 to 2, it means nothing, it is increased, so it means plus 0. From the 2 to this term, also here it is plus 0, it is added. Here to here, also 0 it is added. Here to here, also 0 it is also added. So this one it is one of the sequence where each of the term can be obtained by the addition of a 0. By the addition of the 0. Another sequence example I am showing. See, one number it is 1 suppose. Next number it is 2. Next number it is 4. Next number it is 8. Next number it is 16. Next number it is 32. See, from this sequence, I am showing you one thing. See, 1 to 2, 1 becomes double. 2 to 4 means double. 4 to 8, it means double. 8 to 16 means double. 16 to 32 also it means double. So for which I am saying 1 becomes 2, it means with the 1 whenever you are multiplying 2, it becomes 2. Here with the 2, whenever you are multiplying 2, you can find out 4. With the 4, whenever you are multiplying 2, you will get 8. With the 8, whenever you will multiply 2, you will obtain 16. With the 16, whenever you will multiply 2, you will get the 32. So it means this one it is one of the sequence where the rule applied here it is the multiplication. Multiplication of which number? Multiplication of the 2. Multiplication of the 2. So for which this one it is one of the sequence where the rule it is used, it is our multiplication. Multiplication of the 2. Perfectly understood. And here each of the term except the first term can be obtained by multiplying 2 with the previous term. I want this term, 2 into 1. I want this term, I want this one. So it means 2 into this one. I want this term, it means 2 into previous term. I want this term, it means 2 into previous term. I want this term, it means 2 into previous term. Another example also I am showing. See, easy example. One it is 1. Next one it is 4. Next one it is 9. Next one it is 16. Next one it is 25. Next one it is 36. Next one it is 49. Everyone, you just have to see here the sequence where the rule it is. First one it is our 1 square. 4 means 2 square. 9 means 3 square. 16 means 4 square. 25 means 5 square, and here it is 36 means 6 square, and here it is 7 square. So this one it is the sequence where we are getting the term of the sequence by getting the square of each of the number. Here it is 1 square, then after next number square, next number square, next number of square. So it means this one it is the sequence where each of the term we are getting by taking the square of each of the number. Okay, which term, that square, which term, that square, which term, fourth term means 4 square, fifth term means 5 square, sixth term means 6 square, seventh term means 7 square. Remember one thing, all these were the example of the sequence. All these were the example of the sequence. But our required one, it is our arithmetic progression. Remember, to get the definition of the arithmetic progression, I want to take the help of our sequence. So for which I am saying arithmetic progression is that sequence. Arithmetic progression is that sequence where we are getting each of the term except the first term. Arithmetic progression is that sequence. Arithmetic progression is that sequence where each of the term except the first term can be obtained by adding a fixed number with the previous term. By adding a fixed number with the previous term. See, here added with a fixed number, here added with a fixed number, here added with a fixed number. Added operation, it is addition, addition, addition. So for which we cannot call this one, it is the arithmetic progression, and we cannot call this one, it is also as the arithmetic progression. See, from the few of the last example, I got one of the AP, it was given in the order of 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So it means this one, it is already in the AP where you are getting the difference between the any two term, it is our 2. So it means you can find out 2 whenever you add 2 with the previous term. It means plus 2. And here it is whenever you are adding plus 2 with the 2, then after you can find out 4. And here you can find out 6 by adding plus 2 with the previous term 4. Here it is also plus 2, you are adding with the 6 to find out 8. Next one, it is to find out 10 with the 8, otherwise with the previous term you must have to add the 2. So it means one thing it is clear from these examples. See, suppose 0 it is the first term, everyone you just have to see. With the 0, whenever I will add 2, I can find out the second term. It means second term, it is my 2. Another one it is, whenever with the second term I will add 2, I can find out third term 4. With the with the third term, if I will add 2, I can get the fourth term 6. With the fourth term 6, if I will add 2, I will get the fifth term. With the fifth term, if I will add the 2, I will get the sixth term, and which one? It is our 10. So this one, it is one of the easier one where one can say always one of the term except the first term can be obtained on adding the common difference with the previous term. See, the same thing I am doing in the another way. Everyone you just have to see. Everyone you just have to see. See, first term it is our 0. First term it is our 0. Second term it is our 2. See, from 0 to 2, the common difference it is only 2. So for which with 0, if I will add only one common difference, then after I can find out 2. How to find out 4? Previously I did with the 4 I got by adding the common difference with the previous term. But now I want to find out the third term by taking the help of the first term. See, from the first term, if I will add the 2 difference, see, here it is 1 difference, here it is 1 difference, then after also I can find out 4. So for which here I am writing 0 plus 2 times of the common difference, 2 times of the common difference, it is our 4. Third term means 2 common difference I must have to add with the first term. Next one it is, this one it is our fourth term. See, fourth term can be obtained. See, fourth term can be obtained. So it means from the first term, how many difference? 1 difference, 2 difference, here it is 3 difference. So it means with the 0, if I will add 3 times of the common difference 2, then after I can find out 6. The same thing it will happen. So it means this one it is our fifth term, and to reach the fifth term the common difference it is 4 times the common difference I have to cover. 1 difference, 2 difference, 3 difference, 4 difference. So for which with 0, whenever I will add 4 times of the common difference, I can find out 8. Then to get the 10, otherwise this one it will be our sixth term. To get the sixth term with the 0 means starting term, otherwise first term, whenever I will add the fifth time of the common difference, I will obtain it as the 10. So for which here I have already shown you each of the term in 2 ways. Here it is the common one, where everyone knows that each of the term one can obtain by adding the common difference, otherwise a fixed number with the previous term. And here I have shown all the terms except the first term with one of the formula, where everywhere I started from the first term. Everywhere I have started from the first term. With the first term, how many times of the common difference it is to be added? 1 time common difference, 2 times common difference, 3 times common difference, 4th time, then after 5th time. Common difference I have added to get the remaining term. And one of the common thing you have to see, here it is the 6th term. It is the 6th term for which 5 times of the common difference it was added with the first term. This one it is our 4th term. So this one it is our 5th term. So for which 4 common difference it is added with the first term. This one it is our 4th term. So for which 3 times of the common difference it is added with the first term. This one it is our 3rd term, for which with the first term, 3rd term means 2 times of the common difference I have added with the first term. Here it is the 2nd term. So for which 2nd term means here it is only one single difference I have added with the 0. And first one it is our A1, for which I have not added any of the common difference with the 0. Whenever it is 1, no means 0 common difference. Whenever it is 2, it means 1 common difference. Whenever it is 3, it means 2 common difference. Whenever it is 4 means 3 common difference. 5 means 4 common difference, and 6 means 5 common difference I have added. So for which now I want to show you the standard form of the AP. Now I want to show you the standard form of the AP, where you can easily understand how we can find out any of the term by using this type of formula. By using this type of formula, how we can express any of the term in the AP. Just have a look. See, in the same way here I am showing, everyone you just have to see. Here it is suppose A1, this one it is our A2, this one it is our A3, next one it is our A4, up to the AP contains last term it is our AN. And here I am saying that here it is the common difference it is D. A1 to A2 the common difference it is D. Everywhere the common difference it is D. Here it is also the common difference it is D. See, suppose the first term it is A. Everyone see attentively. Suppose the first term it is A. Means A1 it means A. Here I am writing the standard form. Now which one I am going to write, that one will consider as the standard form of the AP. See, suppose first term it is our A1. A1 means A. Then the second term it will be, for the second term it will be how much more? Only 1 D it will be more. Only 1 D. See, third term, how to write third term? Third term means how many difference it is to be added? Twice difference. So for which I am writing the third term by taking the help of the first term. And here it is the first term it is A. So for which third term means with A, 2 difference it is to be added. Next one it is our A4. Everyone see. For A4, how many common difference? 1, 2, 3. So it means for which here it is a plus 3d. So in the last example also we have already done the discussion, also we got the confirmation that which number of a term, that number of a term minus 1, this number of difference, it will be added to the first term. See, as it is 4, for which 3 difference it is to be added, as this one it is our third term, for which twice common difference it is added with the first term. So in the same way you have to remember, so for which last term it is our nth term, last term it is our nth term, so for which its formula it will be a plus nth term means n minus 1, n minus 1 whole into d. Understood perfectly? Understood perfectly. So for which this one it is called as our standard form of our arithmetic progression. And one thing you must have to remember, this one it is an and which is equal to a plus n minus 1 whole into d. You have to remember one thing. So for which any term, any number of a term, it may be first term, it may be second term, it may be third term. N means it may be 1, it may be 2, otherwise for any number of a term, the formula it is always a. A means first term plus n minus 1 whole into d. N means, suppose it will be asked that you have to find out the fourth term, so it means n it is our 4, for which the formula becomes a plus 4 minus 1 means 3d it is to be added, and d it is our common difference. So this formula you just have to remember, and this formula says how to find out the nth term of an AP, how to find out the nth term of an AP. So now I want to show you one of the formula, which formula by using that formula all the question of this exercise we can easily solve. Everyone you just have to see, suppose here it is given that a, everyone knows a means first term, then after next one it is our n means which number term, then after d means common difference, and this one it is our an means nth term. Okay, see, everyone you just have to remember, whenever 1 it is given, 2 it is given, 3 it is given, all these value whenever we will put in this equation, whenever these three a, n, d we will put at here, so we can easily find out the an. So it means to find out the fourth, suppose this one it is your 1, this one it is our 2, this one it is our 3, and this one it is our 4. Remember, this one it is one of the value it will give, one of the particular value. This one it is also one of the particular value. But an we can find out by putting all the value in the expression. Whenever you will put all the value a, n, d in the expression, you can find out the value of the an. Perfectly understood? So for which remember, whenever these three given, these three value whenever you are putting at here, so it means you can easily find out an. Understood the easy formula? Another formula I am saying, see, from the left side, if 1 it is not given, from the left side, suppose this one it is not given, and this one it is given. From the 4, 3 it is given, this one it is not given, suppose this one it is not given, rest of everything it is given. So you can find this value by putting this in this equation. This one you have to put it in this equation so that you can find out the value of the d. Left side everything you can obtain by solving the equation. Whenever the an value it will be given, so it means this one it is one of the equation. And always you know, whenever you will solve one of the equation, you can find out the value of the variable. So here it is one variable, this one it is variable, and this one it is the variable. But this one it is not the variable. Then next one it is, suppose this one it is not given, So it means these two value, you have to this two and this one. Whenever you will put in this equation, you can find out the value of the n. Next one it is also same. Whenever a it is not given, these two are given. So it means one can find out this one by putting this and putting this in this equation. One can find out the value of the a. So one thing clear, it may be a, it may be n, otherwise it may be d. All the thing you can obtain whenever whenever the given thing you have to put it and you are solving the equation. After solving the equation, after putting all these value at here, you can easily find out this one, otherwise this one, otherwise this one. And right side a and you can obtain whenever you are putting all these three given, you can put, find out the value. If this one given, 2 given from the left side, so it means by solving the equation you can find out the value of the unknown one. Perfectly understood. And another easy thing I am saying to you, everyone, you just have to see this one. Now I am erasing. Everyone, you just have to see, suppose one of the sequence, it will be given just like the last example I am writing, and it will be asked to you that you have to check whether it is in AP or not. The easier one, the definition, it was said that each of the term can be obtained by adding a fixed number with the previous number. It may be positive number, otherwise negative number, otherwise it may be 0. Otherwise the shortcut trick you just have to remember. How to check this one, it is in AP or not. Always remember, from one term, whenever you are subtracting previous term, see 2 minus 0, here it is 2. Here the 4 minus previous term, here it is 2. 6 minus 4, here the previous term, it will also be 2. Whenever you are getting the common difference between any two consecutive, otherwise for all the consecutive terms, it is always the same, then after you can easily say that yes, this sequence, it is in AP. Understood perfectly? So how and which type of question it will come? See, first varieties question it will come. Check whether it is an AP or not. Check whether it is an AP or not. This one, it is one question it will come. Another type of question from this exercise it will come. If it is an AP, find A means first term and D means common difference. Also it may be said to you, A given, first term given, D given, write 5 terms, otherwise many more terms of the AP. So it means the question may come with this variety, otherwise the question may come with this variety, otherwise the question may come with this variety. Understood or not understood? So few of the different types of a question now I am going to show. See. See, one of the question it may come just like this. It is one of the practical situation which is very easy. One can understand it easily. Everyone, you just have to see. Suppose I want to travel at anywhere. I want to travel by the auto to anywhere, and whenever I ask to the auto driver, the driver said to me that for the first 1 kilometer, see, for the first 1 kilometer I will be chargeable rupees 5. For the first 1 kilometer I will be chargeable 5 rupees. Then after it is given, then after for each kilometer I will be chargeable rupees 4. After 1 kilometer, how much more extra kilometer I have to travel? So for that extra kilometer, each of the kilometer wise you have to pay rupees 4. So it means, suppose I want to go for 1 kilometer, so it means I have to pay 5 rupees, but I am writing only 5 in number. Suppose I want to travel 2 kilometer. 2 kilometer means first kilometer compulsory 5, Then after how many extra kilometer? 1 extra kilometer. So for 1 extra kilometer I have to give extra 4 rupees. Suppose I want to travel 3 kilometer. It means first kilometer 5. Then after how many extra kilometer? After first kilometer 2 extra kilometers. 2 extra kilometers. That 2 extra kilometers I will be chargeable rupees 4 for each of the kilometer. So for 2 extra kilometer I will be chargeable 2 into 4 extra. First kilometer 5 and 2 into 4 it will be extra. Then after I am showing for the 2, 3. Suppose I want to travel 4 kilometer. So 4 kilometer means first one it is 5, it is confirmed. Then after how many extra kilometer after first kilometer? 3. For each kilometer I will be chargeable rupees 4. So for 3 kilometer extra I will be chargeable 3 into 4. So it will continue. Then after suppose I want to travel 5 kilometer or 6 kilometer, the process it will continue in the similar way. Okay. See here the value I am getting. Finally here I am getting 5. This one it is 5, 4, 9. This one it is 6. 4 into 2 equal to 8. 8 plus 5 it is equal to 13. Here it is 4, 3, 12, 5, 17. So it will continue. How to check whether this one it is in FP or not? How to check whether it is in FP or not? Everyone see how to check. I said always you have to check each of the difference between the term with the previous term. See first here you have to find 9 minus 5 it is your 4. Then second you have to check 13 minus 9 it is our 4. Then after you have to check 17 minus 13. It means 17 minus 13 it is also 4. As we are getting at everywhere, the difference it is 4. As we are getting at everywhere the difference it is 4. So for which this sequence it is in FP. Perfectly understood this example. Now I am showing you another example. Let's see how many students you are capable to catch it. Next one it is also very easy example I want to show. Which example normally you are facing in your practical market. See, suppose few of the labor. Suppose I called few of the labor to dig the ground. Their condition it was for the first meter. See, for the first meter their charge it will be rupees 10 suppose. For the first meter digging charge it is rupees 10. Then after 1 meter per each meter I will be chargeable rupees 5 per each. First meter rupees it is equal to 10, and after 1 meter I will be chargeable rupees 5 for each of them extra meter. See, so it means suppose I want to dig 1 meter, so it means I will be chargeable rupees 10. I am writing only the number except the unit. For the 2 meter, I will be chargeable 10 means for the first, and for the extra 1 meter I will be chargeable extra 5. Then after this one it is 1 meter, 2 meter. For the 3 meter, see 1 meter rupees 10. Then after 2 extra meter I have to dig. So for the 2 extra meter, so it means 1 meter charge it is equal to 5. So for which 2 meter your charge it will be 2 into 5. In the same way, whenever I want to dig for 4 meter, so it means for the first it is 10. 4 meter means 1 meter rupees 10. Thereafter extra 3. So for the extra 3 I will be chargeable 3 into 5. It will repeat. And here the value we are getting it as the 10. Next one it is 10 plus 5 it is our 15. Next one it is 10. Here it is 10 equal to 20. Next one it is 15. 10 equal to 25. See how to check the sequence it is in AP or not. How to check? See everyone, here it is 25 minus 10, sorry 15 minus 10. Here we should write 15 minus 10. Here the difference it is equal to 5. Here the difference it is equal to 20 minus 15. The difference it is equal to 5. Here the difference it is equal to 25 minus 20. It is our 5. As the difference at everywhere it is our 5. As the difference at everywhere it is our 5. So for which the sequence it is in AP. Understood? This question I am leaving. Another interesting question also I am showing. Another interesting question I am showing. See it carefully. Suppose I am saying you, suppose my amount it is 100 rupees. I want to keep the 100 rupees in the bank as the saving amount. And bank says to me, for 100 rupees, bank will provide me 5% interest per annum. It means interest, simple interest it is our 5%. Simple interest it is our 5%. It is one of the easy example I am giving with the easy number, such that many of the things you can say me orally. Okay. So it means now it is our 100. So after the 1 year, see. So it means now I kept the 100. So after 1 year, so I will be chargeable. See 100 for which extra 5. Then after second year, means second year, after 2 years completion, I will get 100. Then after 10 rupees, 2 into 5 equal to 10 rupees. Next year I will obtain 100 plus 3 into 5 equal to 15. See one thing, everywhere the interest will be applicable on the starting amount. On the principal, everywhere on the principal your interest it will be calculated. Here also on the principal also your amount it is calculated. Your interest always it will be calculated on the principal, otherwise on the starting amount. So for which while you are calculating 100, this one it is our 105, this one it is 110, this one it is our 115. See here the difference it is 5, means previous number, here it is 5, 10 minus 5 it is our 5, and here it is also 5. So for which I can say that this sequence it is also in AP. But the problem is whenever it is given that, whenever it will be given the same criteria it will be given, but it will be said to you, you have to calculate the amount. Calculate the amount where the interest is calculated, where the interest it is compounded annually. Previously it is the simple interest, but now I want to say you here it is the compound interest. So whenever there will be the compound interest, see first year it will be 100. Second year amount formula it will be P whole into 1 plus R, means rate, divided by 100. Second year it will be 100 whole into 1 plus 5 divided by 100 square. Next year it will be 100 whole into 1 plus R by 100 to the power 3. It will continue. And whenever you will do checking, everywhere you will get that this difference it will never be same as this difference, and this difference it is not same with the this difference and this difference. So for which we cannot say the sequence it is in the AP. Understood? Now I want to show you few of the extra questions. See here it is two of the questions I have considered, and here for the two questions it is said that here it is A it is given and the common difference it is given. A means first term it is given, also the common difference it is also given, and it is asked that you have to formulate one of the AP. You have to form one AP by taking the 4 terms. Otherwise you just have to write down the 4 term of the AP. You just have to write down the 4 terms of the AP by taking the A it is your 10 and D it is your also 10. See how to write. Everyone see, in 2 ways I will do. Everyone see. So first term means A1 it is your first term, which is our A, which is our 10. Yes or no? See, second term you can find by adding the common difference with the first term. See, with the first term means a1 plus common difference, it is our 10. So for which it becomes a1 means 10, difference it is our 10, which becomes it is our 20. Okay, then after a3 we can obtain a3 formulaities. Previous means a2 plus d, which is our 20 plus 10, which is our 30. Then a4, it is our fourth term, it is our previous term. Then after plus d, previous term it is our 30 plus 10, it is our 40. So for which one can say that, so the first four terms of the AP are 10, 20, 30, 40. This question also can be done in the another way. Everyone see the same question I want to do. Everyone see, first one it is our A1, it is our A, which is our 10. Then after see A2. A2 means with the first term only one d it will be added. Only one d. And A3 means with the first term 2d it will be added. With the first term. Previously with the previous term only d it is added. But this one it is everything we are doing with the first term. And A4 means with A we will add it as the 3d. 4 means here it will be 3. See, here it is A plus D means A means 10 plus 10, it is our 20. And this one it is A plus 2 into 10. A means it is our 10. Here it is 20 plus 10, it is our 30. And this one it is A plus 3D means A means it is our 10. 3 into 10, which is our 10 plus 30, which is our 40. So in both the ways we got the same answer. But the difference is here everywhere we are getting the term we are getting by adding the common difference with the previous term. But here it is not the previous. All the common difference we are adding with the first term. First term here it is 4 means 3 times of the difference. 3 means 2 times of the difference. 2 means 1 times of the difference. 1 means no difference. Understood perfectly? This question now I am erasing. Okay, you just have to see how we can do the double I question. See, in the double I question it is giving that the difference it is 0. See, whenever the difference you are getting the 0, always remember A1 it is equal to A, which is equal to minus 2. And A2 by using the first formula I am doing. A2 means A1 plus D. A1 it is our minus 2 plus 0, which is our minus 2. Easy or difficult? See, then after A3 means previous term means minus 2, here it is 0, which is equal to minus 2. A4 which is equal to minus 2 means previous term plus 0, which is our minus 2. So the first 4 terms are minus 2, minus 2, minus 2, minus 2. Remember one thing, whenever you are getting the common difference it is our 0. Whenever you are getting the common difference it is our 0, always the first term becomes the second term becomes the third term, all the terms are equal. All the terms are equal whenever you are getting the common difference it is 0. Understood perfectly? Now we will do the another type of question. Okay? See, in both the question it is asked that you just have to check whether this list of number and this list of number, whether both are in the AP or not. Whether the list of the number, otherwise the sequence are in AP or not. How to check the sequence it is in AP or not? See, everywhere you have to find out the difference. Means this term minus previous term. Here also this term minus previous term, also this term minus the previous term. It means for all the difference you have to check if all the difference are equal, then after we can say that yes, the list of numbers are in AP. See, first one I am showing 1 minus 3. How much we are getting? Then after minus 1, minus of 1, how much we are getting? Then after minus 3, minus of minus 1, how much we are getting? See everyone, 1 minus 3, it is clearly seen it as the minus 2. Minus 1, it is our minus 2, it is seen. And here it is, see, minus 3, here it is minus of a minus 1 means plus 1. Otherwise, it is same as minus 3 plus 1, which is our minus 2. So here it is one thing it is observed at everywhere the difference between the consecutive term, it is always minus 2. The difference between the consecutive term, it is always minus 2, for which the list of numbers are in the AP. Let's see the second one, whether the second one, the list of the numbers, whether they are in the AP or not. Let's have a check. Here also we need to check the difference, it is how much, here the difference how much, and here the difference it is how much. And always remember the term, it is to be term, we have to subtract this term minus the previous term. It means always the previous term, it is to be subtracted from the next term. It means minus 1 minus of minus 5. Then after 3 minus of minus 1, it is how much? Then after 7 minus 3, it will be how much? See, 7 minus 3, it is our 4. See, this one it is 3 minus of a minus 1 means plus 1, which is our 4. And here it is 1 minus of a minus 5 means plus 5. Here it is minus 1, 5, which is our 4. So everywhere we are getting the common difference, it is 4. The difference it is 4 at everywhere. It means between the any two consecutive term, always we are getting the difference, it is same. So for which the list of numbers we can call it is in AP. Understood perfectly? See, here it is another variety of a question in this exercise where it is asked that you have to check whether the list of numbers are in AP or not. Whether the list of the numbers are in the AP or not. If the list of the numbers are in AP, then after you just have to find A and D. A means first term and the common difference also you need to find out. So first we need to check whether it is in AP or not. See, the trick is 4 minus 2. 4 minus 2, it is our 2. 8 minus 4, it is our 4. And here it is 16 minus 8, here it is 8. As the difference at everywhere it is not same. As the difference at everywhere it is not same, so for which we cannot say it as in the AP. As the list of numbers are not in AP, so it means no need to find out A, also no need to find out the difference. Otherwise, as it is not in the AP, we cannot say which one it is the A, and also we cannot find out the common difference. See, next one it is here we need to find out. See everyone, minus 6 minus of minus 10, which means minus 6 plus 10, which is our 4. Next one it is, let's see, next one it is minus 2 minus of a minus 6, which is our minus 2 minus means plus 6, which is our 4. And here it is 2 minus of minus 2, which is equal to 2 plus 2, which is our 4. So it means one thing, it is confirmed that the list of the number it is already in the AP. The list of the number it is already in the AP because everywhere we have already checked the difference between the two consecutive terms by subtracting the previous term from the next term. Always we are getting the 4, for which 100% the list of the numbers are in the AP. And whenever it is in AP, so which one it is A? Just see, it is our minus 10, first term it is our minus 10, and D it is our, see, D it is our 4, the common difference it is our 4. See, suppose this one it is our A1, this one it is our A2, this one suppose A3, this one it is our A4. How to find out the next 3 term? It is asked also, you have to write down the next 3 term whenever the list of numbers are in the AP. See, how to find out the next few terms? See, shortcut formula I am saying. First one it is A5. A5 you can obtain by adding the common difference with the previous term. It means A4 plus D. A4 it is our last one, it is 2 plus 4, it is our 6. And another term it is A6 you can obtain by adding the common difference with the previous one. It means A5 plus D, which is our A5 means 6 plus 4, which is our 10. And A7 we can find by adding common difference with the previous term. So it means A6 it is our 10 plus 4, it is our 14. So the next three terms are 6, then after 10, then after 14. See, this one it is the easy formula. Now I am showing you also the direct formula. Everyone see, direct formula means A5 how we can find. See, A5 formula it is A plus 5 means 4D. 4D means A it is our minus 10. 4D means 4 into 4. 4 for 16. Here it is minus 10, which becomes it is our 6. There also we got 6. Here also we got the 6. Then after A6 value we can obtain by adding A plus 6 means 5D. Here it is 5D, which implies minus 10 plus 5 into 4, which is equal to minus 10 plus 20, which gives us 10. Just see, here it is also we got 10, here also we got the 10. Then after see, A7, how to find out A7? Formula it is A plus 6D. 6D means A it is our minus 10, 6D means 6 into 4, which is our minus 10 plus 24, which becomes our 14. Here also got 14, also here also we got the 14. So it means from our discussion topic, all the different varieties of questions we have already done the discussion. Question it may come just like this. You just have to check whether the list of numbers are in AP or not. Then after, if the list of numbers are in AP, which one it is your A and which one it is your D, you have to find. After finding also, it may be asked, you have to write down the next three terms if the list of numbers are in AP. Then after few of the practical situation, we have already done the discussion. It may be simple interest, it may be compound interest, where it is asked that the list of numbers whether they are in the AP or not. Question it will come from this. Understood or not understood? Keep preparing. In our next day, we will do the discussion how to find out the nth term of an AP. Okay, so today the discussion it is this much. Once again we will get together in our next class. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day.